Hello. Today I would like to show you a starter from 9th century Baghdad from the court of the Caliph. And it is a recipe, it's called Bazmawurd, that is actually in the Persian tradition. And what we need for that is the following here. Have a look. I mean, it is an old recipe, but actually it has a very modern touch because it basically is a wrap. So what you need is some kind of rollable flatbread, which would be, this is the Italian piadina, but you could take, apart from obviously making it yourself, also other types of similar flatbreads that you can roll, like tortillas, exactly. Now, we have some roasted and chopped chicken breast, we have chopped walnuts, chopped lemon, and as herbs. We have here chopped tarragon, cilantro or coriander greens. We have some basil, it's the last I had out there in the garden, it's red basil, mint and parsley. Now, it's, well, very easy. We just arrange some of that chicken breast here. We add some chopped walnuts, a little bit of lemon, and a little bit of each herb. Now, the recipe mentions neither salt, but it will definitely need some, nor olive oil, but I would definitely add some. And you roll the whole thing into a wrap. And cut it into pieces because it is supposed to be an appetizer that is served around finger food, party finger food you could call it. Now we repeat the same with the other flatbreads.